Okay guys, sorry I didn't get in the description like I said I was for the part 2. I didn't link part 1 in the description for my video. I'm so sorry guys, please forgive me. Anyway, continue on. The pizza's already made. One pizza, there it is, looking delicious. So I learned that if I put the pepperoni, which are these, on first, then it won't start slipping off. And then all I have to do is sprinkle the cheese. There. Alright. Alright, so that took about 10 minutes, guys. When I clocked out, I had to I had to go do my chores, take out the garbage, and go check the mailbox, which I got fan mail from my old videos of Camille Williams. I don't think she's on YouTube no more, but she's doing videos, and I stuffed it with these are now fruits. I have lemon lime down there. I have cherries, and banana. So that was about 5 minutes and fake. So 10, and it took 15 minutes to make that. So I only have 5 minutes until my money goes bye-bye. 5 minutes. Okay, so it's for here. Have to hurry up. Your bottle. I've been doing 5 minutes go by fast, don't it? Yeah. And this time is really going to be 5 minutes. Come on. Can't get it. I have like this very fun cheese. It's going in my thing. This is actually supposed to be the coffee part. Let's go get it under here. Like it came from this part. And this is so nobody can see what I have hidden here. Not even the people that work for me can look in here, even though they work for me. I don't trust them. And then we have like our mini cash register. So we're going to slide this right under there in that little hole. And this is our money, which we have some money here. Rich. So this is what we got from our last customer, a $20 bill. That was our tip. And $1, $2, $3, $4. It was my mom, so she got a special discount for $10 off, guys. Her total was $15. She got chicken, she got everything. Just like that, under there. We have our pizza delivery. How cute. And it has my logo on it. Lindy's Pizza Shop tea and all. We have 2 of them. Okay. Pizza takeout box or delivery. And we actually had this for like a tablecloth or something. And when people, like a big family comes through, we lay it out, and it's really big. So, guys, I think our thing is done. See, I have it on. Let's turn it off, and our water is full at a 6. It's supposed to be a 6 there. Okay, guys. So, let's get the bottle. Alright, somebody is going to come around and put that stuff in there. It's only been 4 minutes, guys. It's about to hit 5 minutes. Woo. So, better hurry up. Get out. Alright, so the tea or anything they want to call it is done. Their coffee is done. Their total is, so we have to type it in again, 2 PEPPIZZAS for pizzas, 1 quesadilla with 1 coffee, less than 20 MIN, only 19. I'm about to turn 20 minutes. I use my phone, so see, I covered it up. So I'm using my phone right now. Wait. I'm gonna get me a camera next time. Please like the video, subscribe, guys. And I'm gonna pretend I'm the customer. Okay, please like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Oh, that tea is so good. About to try my pizza. It tastes good. Quesadilla. Oh, I got that fruit quesadilla, the one I like. I could never find a fruit quesadilla one more time. That's why I like them so much. Ooh, I gotta come here often. That was so good. Alright, I'm gonna leave all my stuff here, but I have to ask her what's my total. Excuse me, ma'am, what's my total? Alright, total will be $15 with added tax. $15. Okay, that sounds good to me. Especially a free quesadilla. Good. Did you like it? Yes, I surely did. Okay. 5. One more 5. Can I find it? Right here you go. Right, I got my money. Right, bye. Okay, let me leave you a tip. Okay. Let me dump out my money so I can find my tip. Tip. Tippy. Can I tip her? Yes, I can. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright. Yeah, let me keep this. If I want to collect, I can pay more. Your tip will be left on the next. get it focused. Alright, guys. That was not supposed to be there. Okay. I took the 5 out because that wasn't supposed to be there. Alright, so he's going to let us clean up. You can't dump your trash bag. See, he ate messy. He was like, he said it was so good, so he just like crushed it. Alright, make sure he has the right amount. 5, 10, $15. Alright, let's go clean up his mess. Here's our trash can in the bag. I know, right? Ridiculous. So we'll leave that to the side. We're going to put that in the sink. I'm going to put this stuff all in the bag. This also goes in the sink. That's what I kind of have to put the camera down, but hey, where's the struggle? So now we have all the trash off the table. We're going to put this up at the table. Okay, now we're going to count how much money we have. 20, 40, 50, wait, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 200, 300, 400, and 500. Okay, yeah, $500. So we're going to leave it right there for clothes. Now, time to take this in the bag. Okay, so we're going to put this into the sink. This is going to be the sink. So we have our stuff. This is reusable. Nobody drinks it because nobody cans it. It's just like a special ingredient that you can use over and over again. Now, guys, we're going to wash dishes. No! No! Right. Put it in the dish. No! Alright, so we can put this down. Alright, now we get to reward ourselves with something quite delicious. Okay, guys,